Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the market is doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So starting with the broader markets, both the Sensex and the Nifty trading in the red. Seems like pressure coming in on the Indian benchmark indices, both down more than 0.5% in trade. Sensex is trading around the 58,600 levels, 600 to 700 levels, while the Nifty is actually trading just near the 17,500 levels. It was slightly below the 17,500 levels as well. So somewhere around those 17,500 levels is what the Nifty is trading at. While the broader markets, on the other hand, seem to be doing slightly better than the benchmark indices. Nonetheless, they are still trading in the red. Both the mid cap as well as the small cap space is down more than around a 0.2% in trade as well. Now, looking at the sector-wise today, let's look at the sectors which are tanking in trade today. We do have Realty, finance space, while IT space also, which is under pressure as well, and all of them down around 1% in trade as well. On the other hand, PSU banks holding up in trade today, up more than 0.5% in trade. Now, moving on, let's talk actually about the individual stock movers in trade. Yes, keep auto stocks in focus today because they are coming out with the auto sales numbers, and we are seeing some move coming in on Bajaj Auto, Escorts also, which came out with their numbers. But other than that, we have Maruti Suzuki also, which is actually tanking in trade today. It's down 3% after the carmaker says that the total output in October is expected to be 60% of normal production, and this is hurt by the persistent shortage that they saw coming in the semiconductors. So surely pressure building in on Maruti Suzuki. Other than that, we have GR Infraprojects, which is actually buzzing in trade today. It's up almost 3 to 4% in trade following an order win. Now, the company has won an order of around 951 crores to construct a part of the Ludhiana-Rupnagar National Highway on a hybrid annuity model. So surely keep an eye out on GR Infraprojects today, buzzing in trade on the back of this order win. VST Tiller is another stock that is doing quite well. The stock is up 10% in trade today after the company has entered into a master service agreement with Vinnii, which is a US company, to develop integrated tractor powertrain for electric tractors for the company. So surely keep an eye out on that as well. APL Apollo Tubes also buzzing in trade today, up almost 3 to 4% after the company's Q2 sales volumes are up by 15% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, coming in at 4,27,387 tons. So surely 15% up on a quarter-on-quarter basis. On a year-on-year basis, we're seeing a slight bit of pressure decline coming in, down 11% on a year-on-year basis. But the company has said that they will be focusing on maintaining its dominant leadership and increasing the sales of its value-added products given the challenging environment. Lastly, we do have Steel Strips Wheel, which is also in focus. It's up as much as 5% after the company's net turnover is at 300 crores in the month of September 2021 versus 166 crores in last year. So that is an 80% revenue growth on a year-on-year basis. Surely keep an eye out on Steel Strips Wheels Limited as well. Today up 5% in trade.